Anyone who picks up a translation of the Quran thinks he has the right to pontificate. Is that so? If a man knows the Quran by heart, I know. How many times have I read the whole tafsir in the Quran? I have made my companions read it. I've been doing this for 40 years, 45 years, but it took my 40 years to start teaching. Do I have the knowledge to issue a fatwa here? No. Let the men who say this is my opinion come before me. They do not know as many verses of the Quran by heart as I do. Neither do they know as many hadiths by heart as I do. Nor have they looked at the explanations of hadiths as much as I have. So according to what does this man say that? According to the conditions of the day. So what are the provisions of Islam that change according to time? These are the following. During the time of the Sahaba, the Ashabi Safa were sitting in the masjid. There was no space. There was nothing. There were no opportunities. In the later system, madrasas were built. What was built around mosques in the Ottoman and Seljuk periods? Madrasas. Can it be said that madrasas are bid'ah? It cannot. Where is the original? In the Sunnah. What is the model of the Ashab Safa? An example of a madrasa. There were no toilets or Turkish baths at that time. We don't say we shouldn't do it now. Our Ottoman ancestors built Turkish baths everywhere. Why? It is taharat, it is cleanliness. Previously this was not possible. The minaret is bid'ah. Why is there bid'ah? It didn't exist at the time of Rasulullah. But what did he say to Bilal Abyssinian? He told him to go up and call the adhan above the Kaaba. So Rasulullah says to go up. But is there a need to build 4 minarets? No. You are not a sultan, you are not a grand vizier. He builds a mosque in a village and builds 4 minarets. I mean, how many poor people can you feed and make so many orphans and widows happy with the money of 3 minarets? This is also showing off. This is wasteful. But the minaret has its origin in the Sunnah. But if you turn it into waste, it is against the Sunnah.